Welcome to Learn Orbit Tech Academy. Managing employee across securely is a core requirement for any enterprise application where most developers get stuck. If you are still using the default Apex authentication and want to switch to a custom employee based login system, you are in the right place. In this video, we will walk through how to create employee accounts using a custom authentication scheme in Oracle APEX and ensure your app is both secure and professional. And we will also learn best practice for security. So come, let's learn. Before we touch the authentication settings, first we need a secure place to store employee credentials. So for that, we already have an employee table. Here we will add, I have already added username, password and salt columns. I will explain what is salt and why it is used for, but username and password are to be added in the employee tab. Please remember, never store plain text, plain varchar2 in the password field. We will use a secure cryptographic function to protect employee data. This is the script that you can add to have your employee table. The goal here is to make sure Apex knows exactly where to look when someone tries to sign in. We have to create a function, authentication function. For the brain of our login system, the PL/SQL function is must. We are going to write the simple function here. Functions, right click, create function. Give a function name. First of all, we will create get password. Create function. This is the SQL script Apex will show you. We are creating it. We will be passing parameters p password in varchar2, comma p salt in varchar2. And here we will write L raw salt raw 256 UTL raw cast to raw p salt. Now here salt is just a random alphanumeric value which serves a critical security. For example, if two users have the same plain text value or password, a salt ensures that the underlying output remains completely different. Now here we will have L raw password raw 256 colon equal to UTL raw dot cast to raw p password. Let me change the case of password. Okay. Now here we will need one more variable combined. It is also raw and L hash raw 60. Now here in the begin section, we will first of all fill the combined variable. Here we will have UTL raw concat raw password comma raw sol. So we are merging, we are concating, we are appending pass salt behind the password. And here we will have hash value with dbms crypto hash l combined comma crypto dot hash sh256. This is the hash, which hash algorithm we are going to use. We are saying dbms crypto to use hash sh256. And so here we will have return raw2 hex function l hash. So here first of all we have used the password and the salt variable. Password is text value right now, and we have converted this text to the raw value. Okay, so this is the function that we have created. Now I want to show you that this dbms crypto function we have used for encryption, we don't have grant of dbms crypto right now. So for that, please open the command prompt. Here you have to log in as SQL plus sysdba. First of all, as our Apex is installed in xepdb1 container, we will alter session set container is equal to xepdb1. Okay, now we will give here grant. So our schema is learn text schema. So we have to grant execute on sys.dbms crypto to learn tag schema. Now grant is given. We will again save and compile, and the error is gone. So now we will create a function which will help us to log in, authenticate the employee within our app. Again we will do create function. Here we will write a function name apex authenticate user create. Now here we will pass username and password. So p username varchar2 comma p password varchar2. This will return boolean. Now here l stored hash emp tab, we will be using the password field here, percentage type. Next comes l stored salt, again emp tab dot salt percentage type. And lastly l computed hash, this is varchar to 256. So here after begin, now what we have to do, we have to select password from our emp tab. So here we will write select password comma salt into l stored hash l stored salt. Okay, from emp tab, where upper username is equal to upper P username. Now, whenever Apex gives us the username after login, whenever we need a username throughout our application, Apex will always give us username in uppercase. So to exactly match the case sensitivity, as Oracle is case sensitive, to match this case sensitivity, we have written upper here. Now we will have computed hash. We will calculate it. We will find out our normal password. Get password, P password, L stored hash, comma L stored salt. Here we will again further check if L computed hash is equal to L stored hash. Then and if return true, otherwise return false. Exception when no data found, then return false. So this way we'll save and compile our this. Sorry, here it is equal to, there it is coming for that. Okay. Now, if you find our video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and let's move on further how to use these functions for custom authentication scheme.